Well, this morning news coming in from Uttar Pradesh's Badaयूं. A 9-year-old Dalit girl has been raped by her neighbor. The incident took place on the 15th of this month. The accused has now been arrested.
The family of the victim, however, alleged that for hours after they went to file a complaint, officers at the police station refused to do so, and when the child was taken to the hospital, there were no facilities extended by the hospital staff. In fact, staffers at the hospital did not even treat them well because this was a Dalit family.
पिता का नाम सोनपाल है, वो पुलिस में चौकीदार है। उसका लड़का हमारे घर में घुस करके हमारी बेटी के मुंह में कपड़ा ठूंसकर धोती से हाथ बांधे और उसके साथ में गलत सलत काम किए। और जब हमें पता चला तो हमने अपनी घर में जाके बेटी को देखा तो खून से लथपथ थी। जैसे ही मैं हॉस्पिटल पहुंचा उसके 5 मिनट के बाद पुलिस वहां पहुंच गई।
Well, Pankaj Upadhyay is joining us from Badaयूं this morning. Badaयूं had been in news for the gang rape of those 2 girls who were later hung from a mango tree there. And now, of course, this incident being reported. Pankaj, just take us to the investigations in this case. A minor girl has been raped.
Ruchika, this incident, this story comes from Samrer village in Badaयूं district. And what's even more horrifying is the apathy of not just the hospital staff but the police department as well. The father of the victim alleges that for nearly 3 or 4 hours he was taking rounds at the police station to lodge a complaint, and there was not even a single Havaldar that was present in the city police station. Mind you, this was the city police station. After that, the victim's father rushed to the hospital, and even there the hospital staff did not help this person, and the victim fell unconscious and remained in that state for quite some time. Even till yesterday, her condition is not well. So you can well understand what's really happening in this part of the belt. Now, as far as UP's this particular belt is concerned, it has a majority of the Dalit population. But the atrocities that are being inflicted upon this population, they are being ignored on a continuous basis by the UP government. And this is one thing which they really need to look into very minutely.
Pankaj Upadhyay reporting from Badaयूं. There's no end to rape shape. More cases being reported from Uttar Pradesh.